Welcome to Technoland Expart. Merry Christmas to all my friends. Creating easy DIY Christmas decorations at home is a fun, budget-friendly way to add personalized holiday charm to your space, and you can start with simple projects like paper snowflakes, paper chains, or garlands made from leftover wrapping paper, scrapbook paper, or even old book pages for a vintage touch. Mason jars or old glass containers can be transformed into beautiful candle holders by filling them with faux snow, made from salt or shredded cotton, pine cones, berries, or tiny ornaments, and adding a tea light for a warm glow. Salt dough ornaments are another classic DIY, requiring only flour, salt, and water, and can be shaped with cookie cutters, baked, and painted for custom tree decorations. For rustic natural decor, gather pine cones, twigs, cinnamon sticks, or evergreen clippings to create wreaths, table centerpieces, or mini tree accents, and you can easily make a garland by stringing dried orange slices, popcorn, cranberries, or wooden beads for a cozy, traditional feel. Transform old sweaters or flannel shirts into handmade stockings, pillow covers, or cozy vase wraps, bringing texture and warmth to your decor without buying new materials. Create a festive centerpiece by arranging candles, ornaments, and greenery on a tray or cake stand, or make quick snow globes by gluing small figurines to jar lids, filling the jar with water and a pinch of glitter, or leaving it dry for toddlers, and sealing it shut. DIY wall art can be crafted by framing scraps of wrapping paper, stenciled holiday quotes, or simple silhouette designs cut from cardstock. Even household items like clothespins, wine corks, buttons, and yarn can become charming rustic ornaments, tiny wreaths, or miniature decorative trees for a standout project. Wrap empty boxes with pretty paper and place them under the tree or on shelves for instant festivity. Finally, string lights can be paired with paper lanterns, wooden branches, or photos clipped onto twine to create warm, personalized displays, proving that with a bit of creativity and everyday materials, you can fill your home with beautiful Christmas decorations that are fun to make and full of holiday spirit. Outdoor Christmas lighting that truly wows the neighbors combines creativity, strategic placement, and thoughtful layering to transform your yard into a magical holiday display, starting with outlining the architectural features of your home such as roof lines, windows, columns, and railings using classic white or warm LED string lights for a clean, elegant base that highlights your home's shape. From there, add pops of color by wrapping trees, shrubs, and bushes with multicolored lights or creating gradients that shift from warm to cool tones, and consider using net lights for hedges or icicle lights along the eaves to add texture and visual interest. Pathway illumination can elevate curb appeal with glowing lanterns, solar stakes, or candy cane lights that guide guests to your door, while wrapping tree trunks and branches in tight spirals of micro LEDs gives your yard a professional, enchanting look. For a modern twist, use projector lights or laser displays to cover large surfaces like garage doors or exterior walls with moving snowflakes, stars, or subtle patterns, and incorporate smart lights that allow you to change colors, create animations, or sync effects to music for a show-stopping experience. DIY additions like mason jar lanterns filled with battery lights, glowing orbs made from wire baskets, or repurposed tomato cage Christmas trees wrapped in LEDs add charm and creativity without overspending. Don't forget to highlight focal points such as wreaths, planters, or porch decor with mini string lights or spotlights to make them stand out, and use timers or smart plugs to automate your display for convenience and energy savings. Finally, maintain balance and avoid overcrowding by choosing a consistent color palette or theme, whether traditional, winter wonderland, farmhouse, or bold and modern, so your yard looks polished, cohesive, and dazzling enough to impress every passerby during the holiday season. Christmas home decor trends for 2026 blend bright, bold expression with cozy, comforting textures, creating festive spaces that feel both exciting and deeply homey, starting with a surge in vibrant color palettes that move beyond traditional red and green into jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, amethyst, and ruby, paired with neon accents for a playful, modern twist. Maximalist decor continues to rise, inspiring layered ornaments, oversized bows, and richly textured garlands that mix velvet, metallics, and natural elements, while comfort-first styling incorporates chunky knit throws, faux fur tree skirts, and warm, amber-toned lighting to build an inviting winter retreat. Sustainability remains a major theme, encouraging decorations made from recycled materials, upcycled vintage finds, and long-lasting natural pieces like dried citrus, preserved greenery, and handmade wooden ornaments. Personalized decor is trending too, with custom family ornaments, monogrammed stockings, and DIY craft elements giving holiday spaces a sentimental, one-of-a-kind charm. Tech-enhanced decorations grow more popular as smart lights, color-changing ornaments, and app-controlled window displays make it easy to shift moods from subtle elegance to full holiday spectacle. Tabletop decor in 2026 leans toward whimsical, storybook-inspired scenes with miniature villages, nutcracker figures, and layered candle arrangements that bring depth and drama to dining spaces.